My Glam family, welcome back to another video. So as you see by the title, this is a nail tutorial, and I'm just showing y'all my nails, how they look. So if y'all want to see how I did my nails, stay tuned. So you're going to need a nail drill, a clean brush, and a dotting tool, file, and a line brush. So first step, you just need to drill off any gel polish that you have left on your nails, which is what I'm doing right now. And I only did one hand for this video. I actually ended up doing the other hand off camera. So yeah, I'm just gonna do one hand today just to test the waters and see how this video actually does, because this is my first time actually doing something like this. So basically I'm taking the Lost Cherry color, Sun Drops, and OPI, now Museum, Now You Don't, and this liner brush, and I'm just going to make the French design on all of my fingernails with the different shades of red. And I only did these colors because fall is approaching and I wanted to have some fall nails. So yeah, I'm just lining my nails with the liner brush, and I'm gonna pop back in once I start filling in the nails. And this is what I meant by filling in the nails. You just take the brush that came with the gel polish. You just fill in the nails, the top part where you did the liner, and it just creates that French shape. But it's better for y'all to see it than me trying to explain. And I do apologize ahead of time because my camera kept going out of focus. Like, it kept focusing on one part of my hand instead of the actual nail. So I do apologize for that. Like I said, this is the first time I've done a nail video like this, but I will try to have a better setup. That way you guys can actually see. But yeah, just bear with me, my loves. I will get the hang of this. But yeah, I thank y'all for watching this video, and just keep watching me. You know, it's gonna be cute at the end. Just stay tuned. So this is what they look like after I cured them. And now I'm going to use this No Cleanse Top Coat by IGEL gel polish, and this is just a clear top coat. And you're just putting that on all of the nails. That way you can cure. My gel lamp, it's a couple years old, but I just cured it for 90 seconds. Now the purpose of the cleanup brush is to clean up any excess gel polish on your nails. And I'm just using alcohol to get the gel polish off. And this is what they look like after curing them with the gel lamp. And I put some cuticle oil on to make them look all cute. But this is what it looks like. And thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.